In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in Wix. This process can really elevate the visual appeal of your site and make your web pages more engaging. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you have everything you need to transform your site with a stunning video background. First, we need to get to the Wix login page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, which is straightforward and doesn't take much time. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled Select and Edit Site. Click on that to view the sites associated with your account. Choose the site you'd like to enhance with a video background and click on Design Site. This will open the Wix editor where you'll make the necessary changes. Once in the editor, it's time to start adding elements. So head over to the left-hand menu and click on Add Elements. This section allows you to incorporate different features into your site. From here, you want to select Strip. The Strip option allows you to create sections on your page that you can customize, including adding video backgrounds. Now what you'll want to do next is choose a blank page. This approach offers you a fresh canvas to work on your video background without any pre-existing elements getting in the way. Once your blank strip is in place, click on it and you should see the Change Background option appear. Click on this to move forward with setting your video. In the background settings, you'll see several options including Video. Select that to begin browsing through the available videos. Wix offers a variety of video options, or you can upload your own video to make it more personalized to your brand or theme. Choose the video that suits your vision best and select it. After your video is selected, click Change Background once more to finalize your choice and apply the video to the strip. Once the video is applied, preview your site to make sure everything looks just right. If you're satisfied with how your site looks with its new video background, remember to save and publish your changes. Ensuring everything is live and accessible can influence your site's ability to captivate your audience on their first visit. And there you have it. Your site now has a dynamic video background that's sure to catch the eye of anyone who navigates there. Thanks for following along, and I hope your website now shines even brighter with its new video element.